I think this is the level smart monies will begin to massively DCA into Ondo, because if you are paying attention, obviously we have a break of structure here. This is the weekly time frame, by the way. We have a break of structure here and also a fair value gap around here. So this automatically becomes a valid order block, and Ondo has corrected more than 80% already. And let's even check it out real quick. If you're paying attention, from the previous high in 2024, we've corrected technically more than 90% already, you get, for Ondo. So this is the zone the smart monies will begin to massively DCA into, and the DeFi adoption of Ondo tokenized stock is now live and is powered by Chainlink as the official data oracle. So that is a massive and bullish news if you ask me. But Ondo hasn't reacted to it positively as a result of the entire market condition. And as you can see, the market condition is extremely bad at the moment. We are going to briefly talk about BTC price update as well, and also the orders chart against the BTC pair, in order to get a clear picture of where Ondo is headed. Now, if you ask me, the moment Ondo, this zone is the zone we should begin to expect a potential reversal to the upside. So the moment that reversal begins, then the moment we are tapping into this price area around 58 cents, we are likely to get a rejection from there to around 42 cents, and then make a second attempt if the bulls are strong enough, and also if the market's sentiment favors the bulls, then we should expect Ondo to break above that 58 cent, flip the 58 cents into a support. The moment you guys are seeing the 58 cent flipped into a support, that is a clear confirmation that it is about to be game over for the bears, and we can start expecting further price move all the way to $1.04 for Ondo for the short term, a retracement from there back to around 79 cents before further price move to take out the previous high and form a new all-time high for Ondo. If you're here to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button. I brought you guys attention to this setup few months ago. That was November 2025, and I told you guys this is a problem. Now the setup is now currently playing out, and as you can see over here, we are currently on the weekly time frame, by the way, and this is the 50 exponential moving average. So we consolidated for a while, retested the 50 exponential moving average, and then retraced to the downside as predicted, all the way to the exact zone I drew this projection around the 60k territory. Wow. So we got a bounce as predicted as well, briefly to 70k. I was expecting the bounce to get to 76k. Fingers crossed, we might still get to 76k. So by the time, if at all we get to 76k, then you all should expect further correction to the downside for BTC. Now, I won't be surprised if BTC drops all the way to 50k, and even maybe possibly drops into the 40k territory. When I say 40k territory, it means 43k territory you get. So I think that zone is likely to be the potential bottom territory for this market cycle you get. So it will be wise. BTC has already dropped from the all-time high. I think it has already dropped minus 50%, right? Let me see. Yeah. We've dropped minus 50% already. So I think we are now in the safe zone, minus 52% technically. We are now in the safe zone to begin to DCA into BTC. Whatever I say is truly my own opinion, by the way, and should not be regarded as financial advice. If you're here to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The entire cryptocurrency market fear and grading days has reached the worst of the worst zone. We are currently in the 5th zone. I think this has been the lowest so far recorded in crypto history. Today is 12th of February 2026. Lowest fear and greed index record so far in crypto history, if you ask me. Now, if you're paying attention, the orders chart is still holding up well, so there's no cause for alarm at all. We are left with 16 days and 9 hours until this current monthly candle comes to a close. Remember, I've screamed countless times at the top of my voice that we are likely to repeat the 2019-2020 playbook. I think it is already playing out gradually before our very eye. We also talked about the MACD indicator in our previous video as well, printing a bullish signal. So yeah, fingers crossed. The moment, as long as this orders chart against the BTC pair continues to hold above this trend line, then our altcoin bag are safe. There's no cause for alarm at all.